Howdy, 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 howdy. You are watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Today's video is sponsored by Keeps. This video takes place right after the last video. I had tried to restore some old oak that I had laying around. Some spots it worked, some spots it didn't quite work, so I had to drive to the next state over to purchase somewhat affordable, let's be in here, somewhat affordable wood. Come on. We'll go back into the massive kitchen renovation. You get to see what it looks like as it progresses along. Got a couple more videos on that massive kitchen renovation. And then we start a major, massive bedroom, master bedroom renovation. Check the links in the description. Yeah, I skipped over most of the finishing. Here's what it looks like once it's finished. The reason I skipped over it is most people find that step boring to watch. This is the type of lacquer that I used. It's a water white, meaning it's supposed to not amber or yellow over time. A lot of your regular lacquer, if I had some around I'd show you, will tend to amber and turn darker and darker. You see all these oak cabinets in the background? These all have some old school regular lacquer on them, clear lacquer, and they ambered. It looks very close, but this cabinet door has ambered or yellowed over the last 2 decades. So the step I'm doing next is I'm going to glue these and nail these together. This is what's going to wrap around the window. So this is what you'll see. This is the inside of the window. I'm going to be gluing and nailing it together. I've got 18 gauge nails. I've got 2P10 professional wood formula CA glue. I believe this is CA glue. Actually, this is put out by Fast Cap. I'll leave a link in the description. This is what you can use for all your gluing needs for, let's say, fine detailed woodwork. Not like a tight bond glue that you would glue cabinets together with. Thick formula. But for these to glue together, I have to make sure that I don't have any lacquer on there. I don't have any lacquer on this back side, but I might have some on this side here. So I'm just going to hit it up with a little bit of sandpaper to make sure the glue bonds in there good. You won't have good luck. Hope I have good luck, because I don't want to make another one of these things. Let's just do it. You're probably wondering what the heck's this aerosol can. This is an activator. So what you can do is put glue on one surface, spray the activator on another surface, and it should instantly bond. I'm going to put the glue here. I'm going to spray activator here. Go. Just for yours. Looks good. So now we have our piece. I only used 3 nails. Those nails are just to kind of keep it aligned until that glue cures up. 1 down, 1 to go. Do a practice run here. Yeah, this is the first window. Today's video is sponsored by Keeps. Keeps is a medication to treat hair loss. 2 out of 3 guys will experience some form of male pattern baldness by the time they reach 35. The best way to prevent hair loss is to do something about it while you still have hair. You don't have to go broke to avoid going bald. Keeps has revolutionized the way men are treated for hair loss. They make it easy and deliver your medication every 3 months. So you can say goodbye to pharmacy checkout lines and awkward doctor visits. Now, prevention is key. Keeps treatments can take up to 4 to 6 months or more to see results. It's important to act fast. If you're ready to take action and prevent hair loss, go to keeps.com/thehandyman or click the link in the description to get 50% off your first order. That is keeps.com/thehandyman. I'm going to be using glue and some nails to hold this into place. I'm going to be using just enough glue to hold it there, but not so much glue that you could never remove it if you needed to. The glue also acts as like a shim. So in certain areas around windows, around anything, nothing is perfect 90-degree angles. Sometimes these windowsills can curve. This here is an 1/8 out, a 1/16 out from here, and you go to nail this board in this top corner, what it can do is pop out this bottom corner and things get all out of whack. Put some glue on here and then put it into place and then align it so that it's perfectly square or in the position that you want it. I'm just going to let the camera roll. This one is a little bit more complicated to install than the rest. This is overkill, but it's thick. This is Power Grab Ultimate indoor outdoor super heavy duty stuff that you don't really need for this application, but like I said, it's thick and will allow some buildup. See that there? That'll allow me to get it in position. And one thing you don't want to do is have glue squeeze out into areas that you don't want it. So if we were to tear this apart, these little blobs here, we just rip out a section of that blue compound. So you can move it, finish it, replace it, whatever you want to do. Remember this side here is not 90 degrees, like this. So I'm going to put a couple blobs, fill that gap, and switch up. Perfect. Now, we are going to do this one. So I'm going to nail this board, that board. Edges with this, we've got it. We'll it. See how I just push that out with a shim, and then I can squeeze it back into the right spot when I nail these together. Right there. There we go. Now tile will come up and meet these. No, I wasn't going to take it. Oh, yeah, perfect. Oh, so tight. It's beautiful. I've got nails. I'm going to avoid using nails, just because I don't like nail holes. just nice. Well, that looks beautiful. Beautiful. God, you really can't get a good idea through the camera. There we go. There we go. Goes good with the ceiling. This is I guess you call this a rustic modern look. We will have a semi-modern retro, I don't know what you guys are going to call the backsplash. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Next video, we should be doing the backsplash. And I've got some other video. I got a lot. That's endless videos. So this is my Forrest Gump goes running look. What do you think? Does it go good with the WD-40 hat? Goodbye.